So, hey there, everyone. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich. I'm the channel host. And normally here we're talking about growing our small and medium drone businesses, the back end equipment that we need, the front end equipment that we need, and everything in between. Now, one of the things that I've been talking about on this channel for quite some time is doing progression reporting for clients. So, it's not just about the maps and models, but here we are looking at a map. But overall, when we're talking about construction progression reporting, we're talking about time-lapse video flights, orthomosaics like the one you see in front of you, still photos shot over time from the same locations again and again and again. And today I just wanted to quickly show you, this is going to be a really short video, by the way, everybody, but I wanted to quickly show you how incredible it is to do some of this progression reporting. This particular project we've been working on since 2022, and the project really started in 2023. We did some of our setups back in 2022 to get ready for this project. And then in 2023, we started executing things. So what you're looking at right now is the Solstice project, and this was shot in 2023. We were using Mavic 2 Pro at the time, and our flight path was set up with Map Pilot Pro. And so here's what we got after setting up our initial flight area to give us a feel for what we'd be working on. We did alter this just a bit more. And in February and March, we got the orthomosaics exactly where we wanted them. But now let's take a look at what's really cool here. I think you'll find it pretty cool too. So this is, by the way, we're in Photoshop right now, and we've got layers overlapping each other. But let's go from January of 2023 to August of 2024. Look at that change. So pretty amazing. A lot of buildings up. And as a matter of fact, a lot of buildings sold and people are already moved in at this point in time. So pretty amazing. Let me close this one down one more time just so you can see the difference here. So that was with the Mavic 2 Pro, and this was actually shot with the Mavic 3 Enterprise using their Pilot 2 app and setting up the flights on their smart controller. So big difference. The overlay isn't perfect, but we did switch from one to another. Also, they're not taking measurements or anything from this. They're just seeing the changes week by week and month by month of what's been going on in their job site. So by the way, why have these developers decided to do something like the construction progression reporting? It's very simple. These types of changes are kind of hit you in the face as to how much has changed over the time, over this whole build site being done. So our particular clients on this one have shared over time each of our progression reports. So the orthomosaics, the video fly-throughs, the still images, the 3D model, the before and after orthomosaics. They utilize all of these for seeing where they're at and sharing where they're at with potential investors for other projects they're doing. So construction progression reporting is, I think, going to become even more needed over time. And as developers find these things that we as drone pilots are creating, we hear more from other developers as well who want to work with us and maybe want to change things up a little bit, add some things, subtract some things. But I just thought it would be great to show you today the before and after from January of 2023 to August of 2024. Some amazing changes, and it's always great because we hear back from the developers we work with often. We've got other projects as well, and the same thing can be said for them. It's interesting because each developer seems to want to focus somewhat 360 images, some want the video fly-throughs and time lapses, some want the orthos like this and before and after orthos, and some just want still images, every couple of weeks. We have one other client that we've been working with for years now on a development, and we go out only once a week for them. So at the end of each month, We go out and get still images for them. We upload the still images, and that's all the client wants. And we'll see them again in another month with the next batch of images as well. All right, everyone. So I hope that you found this interesting. Huge changes, visible changes. You can really see what's happening on the location. So whether you're one of the developers, one of the construction folks, maybe some of the subcontractors, very easy to see where you're at working on this particular project site yourself. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you love the dramatic changes as much as I do, and we'll see you again real soon on another video. Have a great one, everybody.